Taking a selfie with your ballot on Election Day is against Michigan law, but one man is trying to change that. Reporter Susan Corey tells us why he claims the picture ban violates his First Amendment rights.
He wanted to show a friend who he voted for, but Joel Crookston never realized this picture could land him in jail. Even though he didn't get in trouble, he's suing the state.
This law just goes too far.
Crookston's attorney, Stephen Klein, is based in Washington, D.C. In a video call, he said Michigan's ban on cameras in polling rooms limits a person's right to free speech. Plus, he argued the law is ineffective because if you scan social media on Election Day, you'll find plenty of voters showing off their ballots.
To be able to take a picture of their own ballots, not somebody else's, and post it on social media. They're not displaying that ballot within the polling place. They're not violating any of the traditional restrictions.
In a court filing, Attorney General Bill Schuette called the current laws an effective deterrent to vote buying and coercion and ensure that voters are not intimidated or distracted by other voters' selfies. Under state law, if you're in the polling room and you're caught taking a selfie, you'd have to forfeit your vote and you could face a misdemeanor with up to 90 days in jail and a $500 fine.
Very good.
But the Secretary of State's office says it only tells election workers to throw away the ballot, not to report violators. Some voters say that makes the law pointless.
I don't think it's a big enough concern that it should be illegal.
I think it's kind of ridiculous.
And Klein is hoping the courts will see it that way too.
There can be reasonable restrictions. This just goes way too far.
He just wants the judge to make a decision before Election Day. In Lansing, Susan Corey, Fox 47 News.
We'll let you know when the judge makes a ruling. Klein says the law should only target inappropriate uses of cameras in polling stations. There is a bill in the state legislature that would let voters take pictures of themselves or their ballots at the polls, but it is stalled in a committee.